New Google Gemini 3.0 is here. Google just dropped Gemini 3. This thing is nuts. It can build entire apps from a single sentence. It thinks deeper than any AI you've used, and it's changing how we work with AI forever. Today, I'm showing you everything. Now, Google just released Gemini 3, and this is the biggest AI update we've seen in months. I'm talking about an AI that can actually think through problems like a human, an AI that builds apps while you watch, an AI that creates interactive websites on the fly. This isn't just another chatbot upgrade. This is a complete game changer for anyone who uses AI for work. And by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use it. So let's dive in. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. First, what makes Gemini 3 so special? Google calls this their most intelligent AI model ever. And they're not just hyping it up. This thing has three major upgrades that blow everything else out of the water. Number one, it thinks deeper. Number two, it understands everything you throw at it. Number three, it creates interactive content in real time. Let me break each one down for you. The first upgrade is called Deep Think Mode. This is huge. Most AI models give you quick answers. They're fast, but they're surface level. Gemini 3 with Deep Think actually stops and thinks. It breaks down your question into smaller parts. It analyzes each part separately, then it puts everything together into a complete answer. This means you get way better responses without typing long prompts. You can throw a research paper at it, ask it to analyze a complex sports strategy, or have it solve a business problem with multiple moving parts, and it handles it all. The second upgrade is multimodal understanding. And Gemini 3 doesn't just read text, it sees images, it watches videos, it connects all of it together. You can upload a screenshot and ask it to explain what's happening. You can show it a diagram and ask it to recreate it. You can even give it a video and ask it to summarize the key points. This opens up so many use cases. For content creators, you can analyze competitive videos. For developers, you can show it a design and ask it to code it. For researchers, you can feed it visual data and get instant insights. Before I move further, let me tell you about two things that are going to change your business. First is my AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. Second is the AI Money Lab. It's completely free. Inside, you get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You get 1,000 plus free N8N workflows. You get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. Plus, you get a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies. Both links are in the description. Join now. All right, let's keep going. The third upgrade is the wildest one. It's called Generative Interfaces. This is where Gemini 3 gets really crazy. You give it a prompt, and it doesn't just give you text back, it builds an entire interactive interface. I'm talking clickable buttons, tabs that switch between different views, widgets that update in real time, dynamic layouts that adjust based on what you need. All generated on the fly from your prompt. Let me give you an example. You could say, show me a comparison of 3 marketing strategies. And Gemini 3 doesn't just list them out. It creates a full interactive dashboard with tabs for each strategy, charts that visualize the data, buttons to dive deeper into each one. This is insane for productivity. You're not just getting information anymore. You're getting working tools built for you instantly. Now, let me talk about vibe coding. This is Gemini 3's coding superpower. Vibe coding means you describe what you want in plain English, and Gemini 3 builds the entire app for you. No technical knowledge needed, no complicated coding skills required. You just tell it what you want, and it handles the rest. Want a progress tracker for your team? Describe it and watch it build. Want a custom calculator for your business? Tell it what calculations you need, and it creates it. Want a visual tool to organize your projects? Explain your workflow, and it makes it happen. This is autonomy we've never seen before. The AI isn't just helping you code, it's doing the coding for you start to finish. For entrepreneurs, this is massive. You can build tools for your business without hiring developers. You can test ideas fast without spending months on development. You can create custom solutions that fit your exact needs. And here's where it gets even better. Gemini 3 is integrated across all of Google's products. That means you're using it even if you don't realize it. It's in Google search with something called AI mode. When you search now, you don't just get links, You get immersive visual layouts, interactive elements built into your search results, dynamic content that adapts to what you're looking for. It's like having a personal research assistant built into search. Gemini 3 is also in Google AI Studio. This is where developers and power users can really push the limits. You get access to the full API, where you can build your own applications on top of Gemini 3. You can integrate it into your existing workflows and you can customize it for your specific use cases. But wait, there's more. And this part is wild. Gemini 3 now has video generation built in. It's powered by something called Veo 3.1 API. This isn't just any video generator. This thing creates high quality video with native audio. You can give it a text prompt and it generates the video. You can upload a reference image and it keeps the subject consistent across frames. You can even extend existing videos or generate specific frames. Let me give you some examples of what this means. Say you're a content creator, you need B-roll footage for your video. Instead of searching stock libraries for hours, you describe what you need. Gemini 3 generates it for you. Custom footage that matches your exact vision, or say you're a marketer, you need product demo videos. Upload a photo of your product. Describe how you want it showcased, and Gemini 3 creates the entire video for you. Or say you're an educator, you need animated explanations for complex topics. You describe the concept. Gemini 3 turns it into a visual video that makes it easy to understand. This is the future of video content. No expensive production teams, no hours of editing. Just describe what you want and get it. Now, let me show you how to actually use Gemini 3 today, because all of this sounds amazing, but you need to know where to access it. The easiest way is through Google AI Studio. This is Google's platform for trying out their latest AI models. You can access Gemini 3 right now. You can test deep think mode. You can try vibe coding. You can experiment with video generation. It's all available to use. Another way is through AI mode in Google search. Just search like you normally would, but now you'll see these rich interactive results powered by Gemini 3. It's seamless and it built right into your search experience. And if you're a developer, you can use the Gemini API. This lets you integrate Gemini 3 into your own apps and tools. You get full access to all the capabilities I just talked about, and you can build custom solutions for your business or your clients. So what should you actually use Gemini 3 for? Let me give you some practical examples. If you're doing research, use deep think mode. Feed it complex papers or data. Ask it to find connections you might have missed. Get summaries that actually understand the nuance. If you're building tools, use vibe coding. Describe the app you need. Let Gemini 3 build it for you. Iterate fast without technical bottlenecks. If you're creating content, use the video generation. Make custom footage for your videos, create animated explainers, generate visual assets that fit your brand. If you're analyzing data, use the multimodal capabilities. Upload charts, screenshot for its screenshots or diagrams. Ask Gemini 3 to explain trends or patterns. Get insights you wouldn't catch on your own. The key here is that Gemini 3 adapts to how you work. It's not a one-size-fits-all tool. It's flexible enough to handle whatever you throw at it. Now, let me talk about something important. This is a tool, not magic. You still need to guide it. You still need to ask the right questions, and you still need to verify what it gives you. But when you use it right, it's incredibly powerful. It saves you hours of work. It opens up capabilities you didn't have before, and it levels the playing field for anyone who wants to build with AI. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me know what you're most excited to try with Gemini 3. Are you hyped for vibe coding? Do you want to test deep think mode? Or are you all in on video generation? Drop a comment and let's talk about it. Before I wrap up, I want to tell you about something that's going to help you even more. If you're serious about using AI to scale your business, you need to check out AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Inside, you'll get access to proven strategies, tools, and workflows that are working right now. You'll connect with other entrepreneurs who are building with AI, and you'll get step-by-step guidance on implementing AI in your business. Head to the link in the description to learn more. This is where the real transformation happens. So here's my final takeaway for you. Gemini 3 is not just an upgrade, it's a shift in what's possible with AI. The combination of deep think mode, multimodal understanding, generative interfaces, vibe coding, and video generation is unprecedented. This is the kind of tool that changes how you work. It automates tasks that used to take hours. It creates outputs that used to require entire teams, and it does it all faster and better than anything we've had before. If you're not experimenting with Gemini 3 yet, Now's the time. Get into Google AI Studio, start testing what it can do, push it to the limits and see what you can build. Because the people who master this early are going to have a massive advantage. They're going to build faster. They're going to create better content, and they're going to solve problems their competitors can't. So don't sleep on this. Gemini 3 is here, and it's changing the game. Now, let me tell you about something that's going to take everything you just learned to the next level. Want to learn even more ways to use AI? Welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to use AI agents to transform your business. You'll get access to 1,000 plus free N8N workflows. You'll get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts that are ready to use, and you'll get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get is a free AI community where you can connect with other people using AI every day, a free AI course that walks you through everything step by step, and proven AI case studies so you can see exactly what's working right now. This is all completely free. Head to the link in the description and join the AI Money Lab today. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. All right, that's it for today. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI update, because this space is moving fast and I'm going to keep you ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.